Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best folding exercise bike 2021, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best folding exercise bike 2021. Number 1. Anchair Folding Exercise Bike, https://amazon.to/3s870vp. Connect your mobile phone or tablet to the console and use the Fit Show app to record. Digitally immerse yourself in a world of virtual reality exercising, track your data and set exercise plans, play games with friends. This is designed to keep you powered up. 10 levels of magnetic resistance control system promotes quiet, smooth workouts with versatility. Easily customize your own ride by yourselves. Adjust quickly, choose one mode that suits you best. Elliptical Cross Trainer is a fantastic alternative to a traditional exercise bike, offers a low-impact cardio exercise that is kind on your joints, at the same time strengthens the main muscle groups as well as the abdominal, leg, and bottom areas. In this way, you benefit several times over from the effective training on your cross trainer at home. Number 2. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike, https://amazon.to/3th8j. Customizable cycling workout, created for fitness enthusiasts of all skill levels. The Marcy NS654 comes with a magnetic resistance mechanism that can be adjusted to the preset 8 levels, allowing you to tailor your training to your fitness level. Comfortable seat with handlebars, designed for a comfortable and efficient training session experience. This upright bike boasts a padded seat that's furnished with high-density foam and comes with foam-covered grips to help you maintain proper body form. LCD display tracks progress. Push beyond your limits and track your progress as you train with this gear using the LCD computer screen that acts as an odometer, which lets you monitor distance traveled, the time elapsed, current speed, and calories burned. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 3. Exoputic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike, https://amazon.to/3s6kplp Foldable Recumbent Exercise Bike with Quiet V-Belt Double Drive Transmission System. Precision Balanced Flywheel, 8-level adjustable magnetic tension control system. An easy-to-read LCD display tracks your distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate. Can be used as a desk bike with height-adjustable desks. Semi-recumbent design for easy entry and exit, large seat cushion and backrest. Supports up to 300 pounds. Product setup dimensions, 33L x19W x46/8. Number 4. Xterra Fitness FB350 Folding Exercise Bike, https://amazon.to/2kplps. Solid X-frame design folds to just 20.5 inches by 20 inches of floor space when not in use. The padded lower back pad and large seat for comfort and support. 2 inches by 1 inch LCD window is easy to read with all the necessary information, clearly displays speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. 8 levels of manual resistance are easily controlled through the large dial tension knob for users of all fitness levels. 3-piece pedal crank for added durability. No custom or preset programs. Flywheel diameter 6.18 inch. Seat to pedal distance 15.16 to 29.13 inches. Number 5. Exoputic Gold 500XLS Folding Exercise Bike, https://amazon.to/3w/drw1j. Heavy-duty and high-durability steel frame construction with up to 400 pounds weight capacity. 20% more steel than the Exoputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike for more maximum performance. An 8-level magnetic tension control system for an easier or more challenging workout. Folds to half the size, so it is uniquely compact. Folded dimensions, 26.4 inches length by 24.8 inches width by 57.5 inches height. Large comfortable seat cushion for people of any size, and easily adjustable to fit 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches user heights. An easy-to-read large computer LCD display that indicates calories burned, distance, time, speed, scan, pulse and odometer. Please refer user manual attached below for instructions and troubleshooting steps. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. So these are the best folding exercise bike 2021, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other best folding exercise bike 2021, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.